A home can check boxes, or it can quietly make life easier, brighter, and more comfortable every single day, and this one does exactly that. Welcome to 505 Great Eno Path in the highly sought-after Waterstone community of Orange County. Built in 2018, this modern, energy-efficient townhome blends smart design with everyday livability. We'll step inside to an open, light-filled floor plan centered around a true chef's kitchen, complete with a large island that naturally becomes the heart of the home. Out back, peaceful wooded views create rare privacy, while inside you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a spacious loft, and a 2-car garage. Enjoy mornings on the screen porch and evenings on the patio, and the comfort of energy-efficient construction designed to save more than $1,600 a year. With a neighborhood pool, playground, and a prime location between Chapel Hill and Hillsborough near UNC Health and Durham Tech, this home offers the perfect balance of convenience, comfort, and connections. Let's take a look around.